Good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. Been about 4 or 5 days since I've been back up here. It is now Friday, August 14th, 2020, and we are 21 weeks of the Rona. We're 32 weeks into 2020, and it's been quite a wild ride this year. So, got quite a few things left to do here in the Oasis. We're give you a good rundown here in a couple of minutes and show you what's up, what accomplished last week. I really didn't have a good check-in for Sunday, and we actually got quite a bit done on the deck. Recorded some of that. Hopefully that video's been shown by now. And got a few things to do in the garden beds. Got to mow some grass. Got to prune some trees. It's a busy time of year for a lot of things that got to get done and accomplished. So without much further ado, and it is a bright morning here. Chilly 8 degrees to start the morning, but it's warming up fast with that sun high in the sky. And show you how everything's looking. So let's take a look around the Oasis and see everything that we have. And then we'll get the Oasis opened and started. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got a very bright morning, so anything I point at to west on this sucker or east on this sucker is going to blow it right out. So let's take a look here. What do we got? I got a robin over there sitting on the fence. Okay, let's start here with the grass patio. If you remember that from way back, it was just a big patch of dirt. Now it's some beautiful grass. I'm going to mow that up today and get it nice and cleaned and tidied, and add some more grass seed to fill in the bare patches. You can see there's a few bare patches in it. Kind of the hazards of growing grass from seed. It takes a little while to get it completely filled in, but it's looking really good. Back here, all cleaned up. I cleaned up quite a bit of the compost bins the last time I was here, so I got more to do on that. Corn's looking really good. We're going to get a few ears of corn off of that. More onions to harvest. The akutas, lots of them. They've barely begun to flower, so we'll see how they come out. We got a couple of spaghetti squash down here. Wow. Sinuses this morning. Replanted a couple of beds with some few things here and there. Go walk through the garden bed. Let's go wander down in here. Yeah, well, there's nice pretty flowers. Sunflowers that are 10 feet tall. You saw those behind me there on my little chat this morning. Got a lot of chamomile. There it is. Lots of poppies all bagged up and ready to capture the seed. Blackberries are sending out lots of vines, so next year we should get lots of blackberries from it. Stumpy but stalky. That would be this one here. Sunflowers are about to bloom. There it is there, the deck. Got the ribs all in. Going to be putting up the sheeting on it today. A little bit left on the posts for the railings. So that's coming along quite nicely. The deck has been quite the project. Herbs and everything. Got summer squash down there. Raspberry patch is pretty much picked over and clean now. One of my granddaughters came in yesterday and said, "Can I have a berry?" I said, "Yeah, help yourself." So she promptly stripped it completely bare. No problems with that, man. You gotta love kids. Gonna harvest these potatoes here today. Let's see what we get out of this bin of potatoes. These peas here need to be harvested, and Yeah, it looks like they're starting to die back. Strawberries looking good. We got a few strawberries out of it from the second crop, which should have been our main crop. Got to harvest up a bunch of onions. More onions today. No more there's not a lot of harvesting, but there's a lot of cleanup to do. So that's really all we've got. The biggest thing happening right now is the deck, and I've got a lot of tree pruning and chipping that's going to be going on today. And a little bit more organization back here for my workstation. It's not quite what I want it yet, but it'll get there. And of course it'll be much better once I get that big old tree out of the way, which it's been on the list, but it's just not something we've gotten to yet. Alright, let's go and get the Oasis opened up. It is that time again.
A different world, all the latest technology. Maybe I should upgrade myself. She's telling me I'm kind of a jerk, that all I do is think about work. I'm gonna put the old me on the shelf, and like a new software release, let her see the latest version of me. It won't be perfect, but I'll take away some old defects, give her the best I can be. She'll get the latest version of me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I have to call her from another number, 'cause if mine comes up, she won't answer. She's just gotta know this new me. A lot less ego, no more bragging, a lot less talking and much more listening. I just want her to see. I just want her to see the latest version of me. It won't be perfect, but I'll take away some old defects, give her the best I can be. She'll get the latest version of me. One day there'll be an iPhone 40, not to be outdone. I'll come out with a Me 60, then she will have the latest version of me. It won't be perfect, but I'll take away some old defects, give her the best I can be. She'll get the latest version of me. The latest version of me. It won't be perfect, but I'll take away some old defects, give her the best I can be. She'll get the latest version of me. Oh, yeah. The latest version of me.
Well, let me tell you about my friends. Our friendship will never end. These good old boys around all the time. Cause they don't fuss and they don't fight. They're good to go every night. Most of the time, they don't do no harm. Jack Daniels, Johnny Walker, George Pickle, Jim Beam, He's the ornery one. He likes to have a little fun. He's got a little black streak of mean. Johnny always dresses right. The girls see him and they look twice. I guess it pays to dress in red. Jack Daniels, Johnny Walker, George Tickle, Jim Beam, drinking buddies, how I love them. Sometimes they're all the friends it seems. Let's go now. Drink and drive. Take another there, baby. Yeah, George is the latest man, the female sex's biggest fan. I guess he's out with one every night. Poor old Jim, it seems a sin to hear about the trouble he's in. I guess he likes to drink and drive. Jack Daniels, Johnny Walker, George Dibble, Jim Beam, drinking buddies, how I love them. Sometimes they're my only friends, it seems. Let's go. Told you about my friends, our friendship will never end. These good boys around all the time. Cause they don't fuss and they don't fight, and they're good to go every night. And most of the time, they don't do no harm. Jack Daniels, Johnny Walker, George Nickel, Jim Beam, drinking buddies, how I love them. Sometimes they're all the friends, it seems. Yeah, sometimes they're all the friends, it seems. Well, sometimes they're all the friends, it seems. Good enough.
I asked my grandpa's best friend today as we were leaving Good Man's Wake, what kept your buddies for so many years? He said, son, we were there. We were there. We were the sons of liberty, fought side by side on the sands of Normandy when duty called. Him and I, we did our share. Yes, son, we were there. See, we were brothers, brothers in arms, from the battlefield back to neighbors on the farm. You had to be there, son, to really understand what it means to serve your fellow man. We were there when Martin Luther had his dream. We were there, saw JFK, heard the siren scream. We were there for our sons in Vietnam. We were there for this great land. There was the day Liberty cried. We saw the towers crashing down as 3,000 heroes died. We stood as one, never to fear. And yes, son, we were there. And now you lay there under red and white and blue. Your voice is still, but I can still hear you saying we